Claude Code is great, but it wants a subscription and your code in the cloud. What if the real Claude Code ran on your own model instead? One command. Open settings and point code at the real Claude Code CLI instead of the built-in agent. Same repo, same local model, just a different agent underneath. Same real backlog item. I typed the task straight into the real Claude Code prompt, hit enter, and it starts reading the file to find the fix. It gets the first spot right, but only fixes one of the two. I point out the second, still stuck at 185 pixels. It thinks it through, catches its own mistake, fixes that line too, and reruns the type checker clean. Fixed, verified. Your GPU did the work, not a data center. And it's not a stripped-down version. Every real Claude Code feature is still there. /commands, thinking effort, subagents. You're just not paying per token for any of it. Cap how hard it thinks, watch the real token stats, and every session still feeds that same activity log. NPX Turbo. Point it at your own repo.